Well, hello, Coffee Time friends. It is late. How late? Too late. Too late for cooking, too late for a lot of things. I've been out of town all day. Just now got home and my battery's dead on this phone. Got it corded up just to be able to speak to y'all for a minute. I want to show you what we're going to get into though. Even this late an hour, we're going to start on this big old huge. Look at apples, more apples. Apples and apples and apples. Our friend brought us some more apples. We are so grateful, but you can see they're getting them old gnats.
That's all of them.
I can't stand it. But these are going to make some delicious pies, and they're worth every ounce of trouble that they may cause. Look what a beautiful apple. Oh, I know he ain't store quality. Not at all, but he's a beautiful apple.
It tastes as good.
Oh, those pies, Mama. I would sit up all night tonight and have to work tomorrow if it meant losing apples. Y'all are closer tonight because your cord's short. I got you corded up because I can't get I got like 10%. Bingo. All day. That's just the way it is. Sometimes work takes you out. Work takes you somewhere you know. But Mama's going to be working on apples. I'm going to help her. We're not going to do all these tonight. We're going to get a good start on them. And then tomorrow, we'll work on some more. Mama will. And then I'll help her tomorrow evening if it takes her that long. Sometimes it don't take as long because there might be a rotted or one or two.
No, it'll be all right. We'll get them done.
What have you done today, Mama?
I've moved stuff out of that porch for them to work in that part. I've walked.
Good evening.
I've got all the exercise I need for today.
You've walked a mile?
I've walked more than a mile, I'll tell you that.
You look all refreshed.
Well, I've sat and rested a little bit.
Well, you drink your Coca-Cola. It looks like with ice in it.
Well, I've been sipping on it for a long time, and I let it sit and get hot, so I put it in the freezer.
Oh.
And that's why it's got a little ice in it.
Good old Coca-Cola Zero.
Yeah.
I haven't. We had a lunch today. I guess at lunchtime. And then my mama fixed me a peanut butter and jelly sandwich in case I didn't get lunch. It was my spare lunch. So on the way home I ate it.
So that's why you wasn't hungry.
I'm not hungry. I've had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And I've had water and coffee. I haven't had coffee this evening on the drive home because I needed it. I told myself, Zebrook is using good coffee. But that peanut butter and jelly sandwich, I told them before I left the meeting. They said, "You going to stop and get something?" I said, "No. I've got an emergency peanut butter and jelly sandwich under glass. All I have to do is just take a hammer and click it and I get my peanut butter sandwich." It was in a nice little Tupperware container for freshness. And boy, was it good driving down that road. I didn't have to stop at any fast food. I didn't have to eat no grease, and I'm perfectly content. Did you eat? That's the question.
I ate leftover livers.
Leftover livers.
Mm-hmm.
And you eating coleslaw?
No, I just ate livers, and then I ate a banana.
Well, that's
later
good.
on.
Potassium's good for you, Mama.
Yeah,
And
my
livers is good for you.
cramped the other night real bad.
The livers are good for you. Potassium's good for you.
Yeah.
And the coleslaw probably makes you sick with that onion in it, so it's a good thing you didn't eat it.
I just ate some.
Well, I'm proud of you, Mama, and I wasn't even here to tell you what to do.
I know it.
Imagine
I
that.
worked and didn't have time to work.
Imagine that, a day without me telling you what to eat, and you did a good job.
I know it. I wanted you to be proud of me.
The leftover containers that you see us using all the time, those little odd ones, they're on sale on Tupperware. I could show you a bunch of them, but you've seen them. You can go on the site. You can pick them out. They've got some other stuff, and then one of the things Mama's got hers put up is the measuring bowl, the measuring cup with a lid on it. It's out of the calendar.
I may not have.
Out of the catalog.
Out of the calendar.
It's out of the catalog this time. When we switch catalogs next this Wednesday, you won't be able to get that one anymore. And I love it. I love it as a batter bowl for mixing. It's got a lid, and I hate they're taking it out. I hope they're just going to take it out and put it back in next time. They don't clear that with me. So what I'm thinking I'm going to do, I'm going to post some sales. I already posted earlier in the week some catalog items that were leaving. So I'm going to post some sales that they're having, because there's a lot of them. And I'm going to post those to-go containers. This is the one. This is leaving the catalog. Why? Why?
I had one right over here that was probably...
Yeah, you got one we use. You want to get yours out we use instead of opening this one?
Yeah, I'm opening.
Why would you take this beauty out? It's heavy. It's got a good handle on it. It's solid. It's not solid, but it's hollow and it holds. It don't bend. It's got a lid on it. It's got the thing that you can take off and you put the juicer in it and the grater and all that. We use ours.
This one was easier to get than that one.
Yeah. This is a jewel. And they've taken it out of the catalog. Now they may bring it back. I ain't saying it's gone forever. See, it's got that opening and your other things will fit right down in there. If I can find another thing to put in there.
What are you looking for?
I didn't have time. You know, the little juicer.
Oh, it's...
Mama's rearranged this drawer. I told her, I said, Mama, next time you get bored, please do something besides rearrange my 2 drawers. I got 2 drawers in the whole kitchen I'm allowed to use. And she rearranges them about 6 times a year.
You pile them up. Get them messy and I can't
They're
stand
mine, and I know where everything's in it, and now I know where nothing is. Anyhow, it'll fit in this little hole. And you can grate, you can zest, you can juice, and it goes right in there. And this lid is heavy. This is not a flimsy little... This is a good solid lid, and so is this. And it's got the rubber thing on the bottom. And it holds 4 beautiful cups of anything. 2 liters. 8 cups. I'm sorry. I thought this was more than 4 cups. It holds 8 cups.
Oh, what I did with them.
But they've taken it out of the catalog. I really didn't know they'd taken this out until the other day.
Unless I pack it.
Come on, Mama. We're getting ready to go. We got apples to do. I've got prep to do for tomorrow. Whew, it's a busy day. You ever have those days it's just like, it's too busy? But that's okay. Lord bless us with the energy to do it. But don't let this pass you by without grabbing one, because see how solid that is? Look here. And when it's on the counter, you can... I mean, it'll move. But if you're stirring in, it holds tight. Mm-hmm. I like the little thing. It seals up. I've got you on this cord and yours are falling over. It seals up with a pour spout. But if you don't want the pour spout, you just turn it to the left or the right and it seals complete. Folks, I don't know. I don't run the company. Mama just sells for them, but that's one thing I would have as a standard all the time. And I don't know, they might bring it back with a different color lid.
Yeah.
Who knows what they'll do. Mama has faith in it.
Yeah, I hope
The little egg breakfast thing, gone. Gone. The little egg poacher, it's not in the catalog.
She was having a flash sale. Was that today?
There's a flash sale. I'll post the flash sale. I'll post everything for you. Y'all can go. We'll put the link in this, and I'll post it on the one with the flash sale and the pictures too. I apologize. It's my fault. I didn't get in that out for Mama last night. You do have until Wednesday, so it's just Monday. I may get it out tomorrow. But I just now flew in, literally in the vehicle. Didn't fly in the airplane.
I hope you did fly in the vehicle.
Oh, Mama, I drove it only the speed limit.
Oh, well, okay. Just checking.
Almost. I do go the speed limit most of the time.
I know, when I'm with you, you always do.
I don't just see no sense in just flying. And then today, Lord, pray for them. I don't know what happened. They seem to be okay, but literally there was a wreck right in front of me. I mean, I was the second car back, and that one rear-ended that one, and it was right on the interstate, and we were flowing. I don't know how it happened. And we stopped, and they pulled over to the side of the road. A little unnerving. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all be careful out there. Don't be texting and driving. Be safe. Think safe. Drive safe.
Yeah, be safe.
And you promised you ate already tonight.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to make you eat a graham cracker and peanut butter before you go to bed.
Oh, well, that'll be a while, yeah.
Yeah, because I worry about you not getting enough protein.
I got protein.
This is a part of the reel of the Coffee Time with John and Momma. Sometimes we literally just don't have time to cook.
It's life. It's real life.
It's life. It's life. And sometimes you get in late, like 7:30.
You got in a little later than that, didn't you? It's 8 now, or almost 8. You ain't been here but a few minutes.
I know. Did you miss me? That's important.
Yeah, I was getting worried.
I called you.
I know it, but that was a while ago.
Did you want me to call you every 5 minutes?
No.
Sometimes when Mama goes on a long trip, I say, call me every 5 minutes.
I bet I don't, though.
No. You wait 15. Alright, folks. We're going to go. See here, it's on the top of this lid. This is for straining. This is smooth, and this is solid. So if you need to strain something, see it's just lower, and it comes right down on there. It comes almost on there, but see that little gap? That'll strain your stuff out, and that's the straining label. You flip over here, it's the solid. You flip over here in the wide open. That's not just decorations, that lets you know what your lid's supposed to be doing. I ordered this. Usually I order extra for gifts or to have to show, or I ordered this just to put up because something happened to this one and they didn't bring it back.
You'd be sad, wouldn't you?
I wouldn't like it. I ain't gonna lie. Let's see what y'all are up to right quick. Nice. Sandy, it is nice. It says, we are hot and... Oh, that's another thing, folks. I was tomorrow, 105. It was hot here today. It's going to be hot all week. It's going to be hot all week. And I'm ready for the bird months. I'm ready for fall temperatures and summer. So take this. Here's you one more week of 90s. What was the high today?
I didn't check. I ain't been out but twice.
Alexa, what's the high temperature today?
Today, expect a high of 91 degrees Fahrenheit.
91. That's hot for us. Now, I know, I'm not complaining, because some of y'all out there saying 105, and you're like, John, if I...
County, Tennessee's record high temperature is
She's so
106
chatty.
degrees
She just...
Fahrenheit, occurring on June
Alexa,
2012,
Alexa, stop. You used to, I could ask her the time, the temperature, she'd give it to me. Now, she gives it to me, and then she reads me a book. Anybody else having trouble?
She's full of information.
Oh, she's full of it, our Mom. She's full of it. Modern technology. Anything else, Mama?
I don't think so.
All right, folks, I'm going to post some...
for you to get home so late. I was getting kind of
I'm going to post some Tupperware. I'll post Mama's link. And the reason I'm trying to push all this in tonight, because we're coming up on the end of the month. What? Yeah. Wednesday will be it. That's it. Tupperware stops their months on Wednesday, the last Wednesday. And that's it, ain't it? Well, it has...
No, let's see. The day is the...
Have I got another week?
20.
20th.
I bet it's the last Wednesday.
I think it is. If it ain't, you got another week probably. But their dates are on the bottom of the specials. Look on the pictures. There's a date. Check that out. Don't say what he said. I had another week.
Some of them's off though, I think. Or they've sold out some of them too.
Y'all say Mama looks tired too. I look tired.
You are tired, I bet.
I am worn out. I got up at 4:30 and I've still been going.
With one
Play
eye.
a violin, Mama. Such a sad story, John. We're gonna peel some apples. Peel some apples.
Hopefully.
Do some Tupperware.
say good night.
And say good night, John.
Good night, Mama, and God bless you all. Have a wonderful night.
Bye, y'all.
Bye-bye.